these get crushed like that or no? Or no?
Yeah. All right, so this goes over here. You got your crushed. You got your crushed. That's it. You're set.
Yeah.
That. You got your clutch?
Yeah, that's for this. And that's it. Yeah.
Yep, done. All right, so take
a-
that with for
these
you.
are no style ones.
Those are for the other guys.
Okay. This clutch is cool.
That's for the other guys. Okay.
All right.
My man. Congrats once again, kid. Damn. Okay, so since Eric's hand is still recovering, he just had an operation on Friday. I'm going to pull out his engine for him, and we're going to unbox his engine, right? Now, I wish this was my engine, Eric. All right. I got a nice 34 ReedCase, but it's not like this. It's not this modification good. So you have an advantage over me, for sure. What are you gonna do with yours? You're gonna keep yours single speed?
No, I'm gonna go to the 2-speed.
No, I'm saying for the event. For the event.
For the event, if I get the 2-speed in time for the event, I'll put it in. If no, then I'm gonna go single.
I don't think.
And I'm gonna try to jump three teeth up. I think I'm gonna have to.
Yeah. All right. So, I honestly, dude, this Sunday we can't test and tune.
Unless I pull the one out of the Baja and put it in the. Because I got the Bajas down right now.
Yeah, it's up to you what you want to get yourself involved with.
Yeah.
Otherwise, just keep it single. Go up 2 or 3 teeth. Call it a day. At least you're gonna be there.
Yeah.
Then all we gotta do, I'm gonna break in your engine, right?
Yeah.
Get this engine installed on your dragster. Bring it over to me. I'll break it in while I break in mine, okay? Tomorrow is Sunday. We cannot test and tune because we're not ready. I have to be at a party. You don't have your engine in. So install your engine. I'll break it in throughout the week. Next Sunday is the last Sunday we have to test and tune.
Gotcha.
So we gotta hurry up. I'm gonna have to test out my 2-speed and adjust my carb. All you gotta do is adjust what single speed to use.
Right.
And your carburetor.
Right.
So you're simple. But if you want to put in a 2-speed, then we're gonna have to adjust your 2-speed. We're gonna have to adjust everything. All right. So, but anyways, you got a beautiful heart here. You got a very nice heart. Modified 990 carb from Bartolone. He also threw in the light and clutch housing here for you, buddy. All right. Your clutch here. I just changed the spring for Eric. And that's it. He's got everything ready to go. Eric will not be using this because right after he leaves my house, he's going to go straight to Track Day Hobbies. He's going to buy the RB Innovations clutch cooling fan. All right. So he's going to be using the fan instead. And yeah, and that's it. And he's also going to be picking up the Glory Hole Velocity Stack. So you're going to want to put that Glory Hole Velocity Stack right here on this carburetor. Do you have an air filter that you're going to use on here, or are you going to have to get another one?
I'm gonna pick up another one. Another
right.
one of those UFO guys.
All right, yeah. You can't go wrong with those. You can't go wrong. What else? Yeah, and that's it, bud. So you ready to go, man? Let's throw this in here. Yo, Eric, do not over-torque these down, man. Eric wound up stripping his head on his 45cc engine the other day. All right, so when your engine is hot and warm, some guys always, especially if you're starting out, if you flood your engine, people be replacing the spark plug out, installing the spark plug out, installing the spark plug, and then they over tighten. Do not use big tools. Don't use car tools for these spark plugs, people. Use the hand tool. All right, use the hand lightweight shit. That way you have a feeling for it. You understand? That way you feel it. All right, because if you use a big ratchet with a spark plug socket on it, you're not going to have that feeling. It's going to be overpowering, the leverage. This is very lightweight, very light. Do not use big tools, please, on your spark plug. You will strip the head. Okay, there you go. You can pick it up with one hand, kid. Look at that.
The lightning flywheel we put in there too?
Yes, sir.
Nice. Nice.
Yes, sir.
I like it. This stack gonna go right over there.
She's a beaut, bro. Look at that beautiful.
Yes.
All right. Is this your first ReedCase engine?
Yes.
Oh, wow. This is your first
ever.
First ever ReedCase. Nice.
Can't wait till I put it in. I can't wait till September 13th. Hope I'm ready.
I hope you use good oil.
Yes, sir. Dominator, baby.
There you go. Don't be wasting. Protect yourself. That's an investment there. That's insurance for you. Get that AMSOIL Dominator in there, bro, from day one, and you can't go wrong, dude.
Yeah, this is nice.
Right? 3 years from now, you will still have this. You're probably going to take this engine out of your Primal Dragster and put it in a future drag Baja, guaranteed. And then your Primal Dragster now is probably going to have a big-ass engine in it 3 years from now.
What is it, the 290 in the front?
That's just the pull start. They're all the same.
Oh, that's the pull
Yeah,
start?
yeah. You know, so this is a bigger case, bigger engine here. Yeah, this is the bigger case. But all the pull starts are the same. All the Zenoas. You know, so.
Can't wait to get this baby going.
All right, good shit, man.
Now this mounts right to this and this.
You can take this shit out and put a Bartolone sticker if you want, or whatever.
Yeah.
Put whatever you want, but that's what I did to mine.
Yeah, I'll probably do something.
But
So these three is what I'm mounting to the dragster.
yeah. You
Hardware's in the box.
You do not even need to use this because the Primal Dragster has the side mounts that will hold that. Yeah.
Okay.
You don't even have to, but since it's there, why not? Just plug it up. Put a screw through that thing. You know what I'm saying?
And the hardware's in the box, right?
I have other lighting ones from Bartolone that this is chopped off. Even, it's ounces, grams lighter. But you chopped off. Because on Primal Dragsters, we don't need this.
Yeah.
We have the heavy-duty side panels that hold the engine itself. My Scott Finley 50 did not have that. Only the side panels held my big block engine in. But since it's there, use it, Yeah, good shit. All right. Yo, congratulations to you, man. I hope your hand feels better.
Yeah, me
and that's
too,
it.
man.
So
I wanna wrench away.
stay tuned. I'm going to, oh my God. I have so many. Look at the time, people. Oh my God. I haven't even started wrenching on my dragster. I have to get back. All right. See you in a bit. Wait till Daryl comes here to pick up his engine. All right. This is my boy, Daryl's, a.k.a. Heavy. All right. So stay tuned. All right. Here we go. Now. It is.
It's straight. It's okay.
7:20. All right, almost 7:20, bro. Bro, I've been at this here since 10:30 a.m. or something like that with the first guy, and then on and on. So we took a break. Daryl just finished working. He's a hard working man right here. He is the last guy to pick up his engine, so I can complete this video. So him and I can go downstairs and start wrenching. I hope you say no, but do you feel like having an espresso? Zach coffee?
Sure.
What the fuck? Well, I said I have to join everybody with a Zach coffee, so I've been drinking coffee all damn day, kid. Fuck yeah. Got Daryl cracking up here for some reason. I don't know why. But I'm just making coffee for us, And my wife was yelling at me too. I don't know why. I always get yelled at, Daryl. I don't know why. So, yeah, we're just thinking about it. Maybe ordering some Portuguese barbecue chicken, or maybe go to Taco Bell, Daryl.
Eat anything.
Same here. All right, Daryl. You ready, kid?
Yeah. I'm very curious about your cup.
Oh, I have the best cup. It's
definitely do.
It's the most. How do you say it? It helps not burn your lips. It's very safe for around the lips,
Yes, I believe so.
It's safe. It's for safety reasons.
A lot of people should know what you're talking about.
Super Zah. All right, Polly. Sa.
Yes, to see how he's drinking that.
Zeneca Feza.
Yes, it's definitely see how he's drinking that.
Man, I am Zed out today, son. We went through a whole case of these. Daryl, are you ready, kid? Are you ready?
Yes.
Daryl.
Again.
My man,
Number
son.
2.
What? Yes. We definitely related somehow, Daryl. I'm telling you, bro. I know it. All right, kid. All right. So I was showing this header to people before. Well, Daryl. Now I can get rid of this. We can finish up this video. Because I had to show the good news, man. Look at you. Happy to see you. ReedCase, son.
Yes. Oh, yeah.
And you got the lightened clutch belt housing there.
Yes, See.
Right? Why is my wife playing with my damn compressor?
Compressor?
Yeah, why do you have it on?
I'm gonna put air on to your tire. Can you come out here for a second?
All right, let me pause
One
this here.
second. Just come here.
Look at that, huh? Seneca Fair. Yeah, okay, I'll be right there. Look at this. Look at this kid. Let me go out there. Here. All right, so we got to talk about this in a bit. This black clutch spring, take it out. It's no good. Throw it in the garbage. And we're gonna put this here. Put your spark plug on, all that.
Sometimes they go there during the week.
Sorry,
So
Dad.
she took a little bike. My racing seat, she's riding this. Little bike, so. Ready for you to ride.
I've been doing this shit all day. You have a different spring to put here, or are you gonna use that one? What do you use it on your Baja? Really? That shit is doing good. So, but you have a trick that you do to these clutches, right?
Yeah, I cut it more than how he cuts it. I cut it later. I cut it another time. At least I just want to just break it in on a little time schedule.
I know we have the timing is all fucked up for us. There we go, buddy. Okay, you ready? Woo! Do a Rennie. Rennie could do this shit with 9,500 springs.
Yeah.
For those of you that don't know Rennie, it's 9 lives Rennie. Seneca Fair.
Zoom.
Garbage. You got all your stuff here. Alright, what are you going to do? You're going to mount your stuff to your engine today? You don't have your velocity stack, right?
Mm-hmm.
You do? Mm-hmm. Oh, shit. My man Daryl comes prepared, kid.
DDM.
Oh, you got the DDM one? Alright. It's better than nothing. You know, is Glory Hole Bartolone velocity stack or the DDM stack? The ones with the 2 screws?
The ones with the 2 screws.
Oh, okay. Alright. It's better than nothing. It's better than no velocity stack. But, I think everyone is getting the... You have a Glory Hole velocity stack on your 32, right? No? Okay.
I didn't even know you had that.
Yeah.
I mean, you say glory hole, I don't think about RC parts.
I'm gonna show you mine because I'm gonna be installing mine tonight. But so if you're not aware of the Bartolone stack, I gotta show you downstairs.
Yeah, you gotta show me that.
All right. Good shit, man.
Yeah.
Well, Daryl, congratulations, kid. Congrats once again, kid.
Yes, again.
And good luck to you. Now, I'm going to end this video here because Daryl and I, we got wrenching to do and we got to also eat. We got to eat.
Yes.
But we got lots of wrenching to do. I'm going to show you guys downstairs real quick before I end this video. Let's just show them real quick. We're not kidding. We're not playing around. All right. So just in case, I know I'll probably be getting questions in the comments of this. So these is special bits. These are no joke. These are super expensive. And I had this milled here so I can fit in my drill press. And this is like a gentleman, work like a gentleman. Instead of using my 1-inch drill bit, this is like a machinist tool bit. All right, so I'm gonna, you know the Primal Dragster, the tubes in the back that makes a solid rear ass. You remember like 2 years ago, I drilled mine out to fit the tubes with a big drill bit. Do you remember that or no?
Yeah.
To fit the tubes, we got to drill out that aluminum tubing, right, from the Primal. Well, I'm not gonna drill out. We're gonna machine out. All right, so I'm gonna yeah. So, but this is a tool that I have now, and I can help all of us that need it done in the future. So, if you're near me, Long Island, guess what? If you need Dark Soul tubes or not even Dark Soul tubes, you make your own tubes. All right, I'm gonna show you. I have my own tubes now.
Oh, you do?
Yeah. If you want to tubes your outdrive cups, I got tubes for you, bro.
Definitely.
All right, and then that's all we got to do. We're gonna drill out like a gentleman now instead of that drill bit shit. All right, stay tuned. We got lots coming. Okay, people. I just want to give you an update of what I'm doing here. I know this has nothing to do with the unboxing of all the 6 engines. Well, maybe it does, because actually 7 engines. But today we unbox 6 drag modified Bartolone Racing 34 ReedCases. This is my engine. This is not a drag mod. All right, so look at this, babies. Huh? Zanica Fair. Zanica Feza. Look at this. I got my engine next to Daryl's engine. Look at these two hearts. Look at these hearts, people. Look at these hearts. Might as well take this guy out. Look at these hearts, Daryl. I'm gonna tell him I want my carbon fiber cover for this baby here.
Carbon fiber.
Yes, sir.
Oh.
Seneca Fair. I like these little hearts, man. Now these guys are great engines, man. You can throw them on freaking anything. 5Ts, 5Bs. It's a little too happy to see you for a 5B, but I'm saying low C 5B. 5T platforms, King Motor X2, Rovin LTs. These are great engines, people. Baja platforms now, Rovins, King Motors, HPIs. You can have a badass time with these guys. Shits and giggles and funs and bashing and beating on them. This one here was meant for a Vector 5, those heavy-ass RCs. You know what I'm saying? You can have fun with them. All right? You don't have to always go crazy big bar shit. All right? So, but anyways. But stay tuned because in a couple of weeks, we're going to have the ultimate bash engine coming out. Soon. All right? It's not one of these. I'll give you a hint. It'll fit anywhere those guys go. It'll fit anywhere those guys go. All right? Yeah, I'm just saying. Some people may call it the Brovin, a little nickname, but we'll see. We'll see. We back here, kid. We got some Taco Bell tonight, son. What? We're loaded. Daryl can't believe I eat like this, kid.
Yeah, this is mine. This is mine right here. This is all his. I don't know how he'll eat it.
You can. I'll share it with you if you.
All right, you definitely.
All right. Till next time, man. Stay tuned. We're gonna munch. Then we're gonna work.